Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot get mail. The mail server is not responding on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this type issue on your iPhone that you're unable to get mail, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it is nothing else, it's just a network issue or there might be more reasons. So very first you have to try to update your mail app. Open your app store here and you have to simply search for mail app and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your mail app. If you find any pending update, you just have to update your mail app, and after that you have to open your settings here and go for general here and you have to go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after that simply go back from here, or you can also try to update your software because pending software updates might get these type errors. So once you updated your software, simply go back from here and then you have to go for apps, then go for mail app from here and then select the mail accounts, then select your mail account in which you're having the issue, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled this mail toggle here and also enable these all, then select account settings, then select advanced from here, and here I recommend you have to disable this option which is use SSL. Want to have disabled, go back, tap on done option here, and then wait for a moment until it's completed, and then go back, and now you just have to check if your issue has been fixed or not, or you can also try to enable your cellular data from here. And also, after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try a different thing. Tap on mail accounts again, select your mail account, and then select delete account from here. Then tap on delete from my iPhone. And once you have deleted your mail account from your mail app, you have to re-add your mail account in your mail app, or you can also try to change password of your Gmail or your mail ID, and once you have changed your password, your issue must be fixed in this step. And so in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.